I got this 2007 Lexus IS250 all-wheel drive here, and it got towed in because it was a no-start, sat at Jiffy Lube for months, weeks, I forget. Anyways, then it ended up getting towed here. Long story short, did some diag. It sat for a while, and you know how Lexuses are. The timing chains or the timing system all bleeds down, and it sounds like it's got no compression. Well, I finally got it started. Blew starting fluid out the exhaust. Everything was good. Went to go pull it in to do a tune-up, thinking maybe it just fouled out the plugs. It wouldn't run. It started. I moved it about 10 feet, and then it just shut off. And then there's the weird part. From then on, I got no communication at all with the PCM or the TCM. I could read other modules. So between that code where it said lost communication with the fuel system, fuel module, something or other, I started looking at all kinds of stuff. Found out the computer's already been replaced. We replaced the battery. All the fuses are good. Then I look up over on the old Googles, and one guy says, oh yeah, we had the same issue. Fuel rail pressure sensor. Unplug it, see if it starts. So I did. Unplugged it. This SOB fired right up. I spent hours and hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, diagnosing this thing, looking for wiring issues, checking grounds, probing pins, resetting, unplugging, plugging, and it turns out a sensor, fuel rail pressure sensor. Took out the PCM, TCM communication with Scantor. So those little things that just drive you nuts about these cars and makes you question why you're even doing this job, and then you fix it and then you're like, wow, it's great. So hopefully this is a lesson learned. Maybe somebody will learn from it, maybe somebody will have the same issue, and it'd be an easy fix for you at least. It wasn't for me.